So say it one more time. Set up the presentation.
No.
If I could, would you? Very simple. If I could, would you? Practice it. If I could, would you?
Okay.
If I could, would you? What's the solution? What's the benefit? If I could, would you, and when? Go.
So if I could guarantee full 40 hours of work, would you be able to sign up today?
Is there anything holding us back? I want to ask you, is there anything, would you sign up today? I could go, yes, kind of. I'm asking you, if I could, would you? Is there anything holding us back from doing business I'm making a statement. I'm not asking for an answer. I'm demanding an answer. Because I don't want to waste my what?
Time.
If I don't get a yes from that, what is that telling me? I don't need to be talking to you anymore. Something's not right. We need to go back into the sales process, back up a little bit. Why are we having this conversation? Why are you on the phone with me? Why are we talking? The purpose of a sales rep is to solve problems. You're a problem solver. Every company, every product out there solves a problem. From the light bulb to the wheel, from the computer to the laptop to the phone to the nail salon. Everybody solves problems. Your sales process is to figure out what the problem is and see if you can solve it. You're not asking, do you have a problem enough? If you do not have a problem, why are we having this discussion? I need to move on. Or I need to call you back at another time. Because I have other people. Amazon, does that solve a problem for everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? How many people use Amazon? How many people ordered something from the mail and got it shipped to their door? That solves the problem. Did you have to go out and get it? The problem was I didn't want to get in the car and go get it. I can just click on something and come to me. Amazon solved a huge problem because the reason they took over the market is because they offered what, Sid? What did they do different than anybody else? You can go to Sears and Roebuck. You can go to Walmart. You go to JCPenney. You can go to Macy's. Order it online and get it to your house. What did Amazon do that dominated the market?
They can get it to you way faster.
And what else did they do?
Returns?
Cheaper.
Just saves you time.
Deb?
That's gonna save time.
Free shipping.
Yeah, the free shipping was huge. Plus, I feel like it's a bigger marketplace, so you can compare a bunch of different products. You can read the reviews all in one place. You don't have to really...
They embellished that down the line.
Yeah.
They made it less clicks.
They made it way less clicks. Yeah.
The problem was less clicks. I go on something, I click it, I hit buy, it comes to me for free. I'm not even having to pay tax if it's out of state. No local store can compete with that. Especially when you got TVs, stuff you have to lift. I live upstairs, everything else. They're the biggest problem solver in the world. Most of the people didn't know they had a problem. My parents, my grandparents, and I went to the store. We grew up going to the store. Why would I want to click on a computer and have it come to my house? People start thinking, people will steal it, the snap, which, you know, that's happening. They have overcome that. You will take the chance because if they steal it, what? You get another one, they don't care. Amazon says, go ahead. My mother got something in the mail, mispackaged, a karaoke machine sent to her house from Amazon. Her concern, oh my goodness, I didn't pay for this. Goodness gracious, I feel responsible. Finally spends, I don't know how many umpteen hours getting on the phone with Amazon to decide, hey, this went to the wrong address. You know what the person said on the other phone?
Keep it.
Keep it!
Yeah.
Keep it! What? We don't have time for you to package it up, send it, but just keep it. She was in shock. You believe that? I said, yes. Because they're problem solvers on a larger level. when a limo, I send out a limo on the weekend or something, and something happens or whatever like that, and it doesn't go right for my clients, I get on the phone, I call them up, and I say, what's the problem? They said this and that, and I said, what do you want to do? They look at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, do you, we just wasn't happy. My job is to make you happy. It didn't make you happy. What is it worth to you? How much in refund do I need to give you to make you happy? They look at me like I'm crazy. Well, how about I paid $500? How about $100? I'm like, only $100? I was like, listen, I'll give you $125 if you give me a good review. Done. Hold on the phone. Check it. Did you get the email? Yeah, that's the refund. We're good to go? Yeah, all right, hold on. There's the link for the review. Can you give me a review in the next 5 minutes? Yeah, no problem. I appreciate it. Anytime you need something else, you need us, I'll come back to you. Right? What most people do, don't answer the phone. Wait. Call them later on in the day. Call them the next day. Then finally, they escalated it. The emotional went up so high by the time you call them, they're irate. You're going to have to let them cool off and blow off some steam and all that kind of other stuff. And I got a what? It's because I'm a salesperson. This is Ben Brown. Don't forget to click subscribe and also add notifications for new videos coming down the pipe.